If you don't like slow cars but still drive one, then get ready to be amazed. Alright, so your car, it's got what, maybe 150 horsepower? Cute. An F1 engine? Try over 1,000 horsepower. That's like strapping a jet engine to a go-kart. Now your car runs on regular old gas, right? F1 cars? They sip on a special high-octane cocktail. Think of it as the espresso to your car's drip coffee. And revs? Your car's engine cries at 6,000 revolutions per minute. An F1 engine? It laughs, hitting over 15,000 revolutions per minute. That's faster than a hummingbird's wings. Cooling? Your car might get a bit toasty in traffic. F1 engines are so hot they could roast marshmallows while racing. Let's talk lifespan. Your car's engine? It's built to last years. F1 engines? They're lucky if they survive a few races. High performance comes at a price, folks. So, next time you're stuck in traffic dreaming of speed, remember, F1 engines are a whole different beast. Like comparing a cheetah to a house cat. Catch you later, speed demons. Drive, dive out.